Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I get a clean towel from the shelf. I get a clean towel from the shelf.
I turn on the shower and check the water. I turn on the shower and check the water.
I stand under the warm water. I stand under the warm water.
I shampoo my hair in the shower. I shampoo my hair in the shower. I scrub my body with soap and a loofah. I scrub my body with soap and a loofah.
I rinse the shampoo out of my hair. I rinse the shampoo out of my hair.
I turn off the shower when I am done. I turn off the shower when I am done.
I dry myself with a clean towel. I dry myself with a clean towel.
I put lotion on my skin after the shower. I put lotion on my skin after the shower. I feel clean and fresh after my shower. I feel clean and fresh after my shower.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.